These are letters with more than one sound. All of our vowels have more than one sound. We typically have the short and the long sound. So a. This also can be a schwa, which can make more of an sound. For example, about, we don't say about, we don't say about, we say about. That's a schwa. We'll talk about that some other time. So a and a, k and s. This one, depending on what vowel is behind it, that determines what sound that's going to make. And I'm going to show you all of this on the board in just a minute. So here we have e and e. Here we have g and j. I, o, has many sounds depending on if it's or, which is or, ar, which is r, ire, ire. There's a lot of different sounds for r. It depends on what vowels and consonants are around it. S can also make z. And u, ya, can make 3 sounds. If it's a consonant, it's going to make the ya sound. If it is at 1 syllable at the end of the word, like cry, fry, my, it's going to make the I sound. If it's 2 syllables, like baby, safely, it's going to be an E sound. I'm going to show you that in just a minute. This makes 3 sounds. So it can be sh as in chef, ch as in chop, and k in chameleon. And then again, we have our TH sound, 2 sounds. One is unvoiced and one is voiced. I'm going to show you over here. So here is if C is followed by an A, O, or U, it's going to make the hard k, C sound. K. Cat, cot, cut. If it is followed by an E, I, or Y, it's going to make the S sound. Scent, city, cycle. Same for J. If the G is followed by E, Y, or I, it's going to make the J sound. Gent, Jim, gist. We also have this if K takes I and E, C takes the other 3, O, A, and U, and with this, it's going to be the hard K sound with these. As soon as you put an E, I, or Y, it's going to be the sound. Here we have, here's the ya. If it's at the beginning, it's going to make the ya sound, which is the consonant sound. And then here, if it is 1 syllable, at the end of a 1 syllable, it's going to say the I sound. Cry, fry, my. If it is the end of a 2-syllable word, it's going to make the E sound. Baby, safely. There's my E. Here's my ch. Here's my sh sound in ch. Chef, chop, chameleon. And that is talking about letters with more than one sound.